ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಗಣೇಶಾಯ ನಮಃ. ಶ್ರೀಮನ್ನಾರಾಯಣೀಯಂ. ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಕೃಷ್ಣಾಯ ಪರಬ್ರಹ್ಮಣೇ ನಮಃ. ದಶಕಂ 57, ಶ್ಲೋಕ 8. ತ್ವದ್ದೂರಂ ಗಮಯಂತಂ ತಂ ದೃಷ್ಟ್ವಾ ಹಲಿನಿ ವಿಹಿತಗರಿಮಭರೇ ದೈತ್ಯಃ ಸ್ವರೂಪಮಾಗಾದ್ಯ ದ್ರೂಪಾತ್ ಸಹಿ ಬಲೋಪಿ ಚಕಿತೋಭೂತ್. Word by word meaning. Tvat, from the. Duram, gamayantam, carrying far away. Tam, him, the asura. Drishtva, seeing. Halini, when Balarama. Halin, Balarama, since his weapon is Halihi, plow. Vihita Garima Bhare, did increase his own weight. Daityaha, the Asura. Swarupam, his own real form. Agat, reverted to. Yadrupat, at which form. Saha Balaha, Apihi, even Balarama. Chakitaha, Abhut, became frightened. Full meaning. Seeing that the Asura was carrying him far away from thee, Balarama increased his own weight. The Asura then took his own real form, seeing which even Balarama was frightened. Om Tat Sat.